Hello everyone, MoldSuperGuy11 here, and I got this at Target today, as you saw in my previous video. It's Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. I've seen this movie once, but it's been a while since I've seen it. I watched it on TV, I don't remember what channel, but it was pretty creepy, it was pretty scary. I mean, definitely makes you scared of birds. It's a pretty scary movie. Classic as well, by Alfred Hitchcock. I mean, you know, the guy who made Psycho. And as you can see is the collectible pop art series, and I believe these were a Target exclusive. So yeah, so this is the back. Yeah, ain't that the truth? And you can pause on that if you want. And these are all the special features. And the movie is rated PG-13, and it is 2 hours long, and it's 1963, and it's Universal Studios. Universal's pretty classic movie company, or film company, or company altogether. And then here is the case. Just flips that off. Pretty much the same thing, except it doesn't have the pop art sticker on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna open this up real quick. I'm not gonna be able to show me opening it though, because these are tough to open. So hang on. There we go. Hold on a second. There we go. These are kind of rough to open, so okay. There we go. Except when this happens, this is a pain. Alright. And there we go, The Birds. 1963, Alfred Hitchcock. And let's open it up. And then there is the DVD. And I mean, a lot of Universal DVDs are like that. They don't have any artwork. I mean, I have The Thing on Blu-ray, which is Universal Studios, and it had artwork on it. But that's pretty much like the only one I remember. I also have The Breakfast Club on Blu-ray, which is Universal, which I have not opened yet. So I will see if that has any art. We'll see if that has any artwork on the Blu-ray as well. I mean, I have Jaws on Blu-ray, and it's pretty much the same thing. It has no artwork, just the logo and the rating and everything like that. So there you go. Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, 1963 classic horror film. Recommend. Pretty cool movie and DVD. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and bye for now.